Hello everyone. Welcome to Remedy 24. Today we're going to learn top 10 foods that boost your immune system. If our immune system were to deteriorate for whatever cause, sickness would quickly follow. Even if it isn't a terrible illness, we will become more sensitive to even minor ailments. It will also leave us more vulnerable to infections that can be deadly. The good news is that maintaining a strong and robust immune system is usually pretty simple. There are many foods that, because of the nutrients they contain, can help to keep our defenses as strong as possible. If you eat a generally healthy, well-balanced diet, you should have a robust immune system that will help you avoid disease. This article examines 10 foods that can help to strengthen your immune system. Number 1. Citrus fruits. The term limey is a slang term used by Americans to refer to British people. The name comes from the days when British seamen used sailing ships to cross the Atlantic. Due to a lack of vitamin C in their diet, the sailors were prone to scurvy. As a result, before setting ship, they would load up on limes. Citrus fruits such as lemons, oranges, and grapefruit, in addition to limes, are high in vitamin C. This means that they can not only aid to avoid scurvy, but they can also aid to enhance our immune system in general. By including them in your diet, you will be assisting in the prevention of illness. Number 2. Garlic. If you're cooking and your dish isn't quite right, a pinch of garlic can be just what you need. Its flavor can serve to give depth to your cuisine, while its distinct aroma can make it smell fantastic. It's simple to see why garlic is so beloved around the world, but it's not just good for us in the kitchen. Garlic has been used for therapeutic purposes since ancient times. It can help fight infections directly and was once used as a topical wound treatment. It also offers qualities that assist it to be useful to our cardiovascular system, as well as components that can aid to enhance our immune systems. Number 3. Yogurt. One of the most important components of our immune system is our digestive system. It not only aids in the digestion of disease-fighting nutrients, but it can also aid in the direct combat of disease. As a result, keeping it healthy makes a lot of sense. Yogurt can assist us in this endeavor. Yogurt contains live bacteria that are beneficial to our digestive system. As a result, consuming yogurt regularly aids in the maintenance of a healthy bacterial balance. These bacteria can aid to stimulate the immune system directly, in addition to maintaining the digestive tract healthy. Number 4. Spinach. Superfoods are foods that are high in nutrients and hence considered to be good for human health. One of these foods is spinach, which is already well known around the world. It's a leafy green vegetable that may be found in a wide variety of meals from throughout the world. Spinach is high in antioxidants, which help to keep us healthy and prevent illness. It's also high in vitamin C, which is well known for its ability to boost our immune systems. It is critical to remember that spinach should not be overdone to maintain its nutritious worth. Number 5. Papaya. Papaya is a type of fruit that originated somewhere in the South American tropics. It has since been exported and is grown in other parts of the world where there is a tropical climate. When ripe, it has juicy flesh while it is sometimes used before it has fully ripened. Papaya is a good source of vitamin C, which has clear immune-boosting properties. It also contains an enzyme called papain, which can aid in the reduction of inflammation in the body. The fruit is also high in other vitamins and minerals that are beneficial to our health. Number 6. Seafood. Lobster is a shellfish that lives at the bottom of the oceans all around the world. It is normally fairly expensive, making it a luxury dish, but many people are willing to pay for it because of its deliciousness. As a result, it's frequently seen in high-end restaurants, but it's also available in some markets and even supermarkets. Lobster is not only delicious, but it is also quite nutritious. Shellfish are an excellent source of zinc, which is essential for the correct functioning of our immune system. If lobster is too expensive for you or is unavailable in your area, consider clams, crab, or mussels as alternatives. Number 7. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are a close relative of chili peppers, which are used to impart spice to a variety of cuisines. While bell peppers aren't quite as hot as chili peppers, they nevertheless lend a bite and flavor to dishes. These milder peppers were developed in Hungary in the 1920s and are now widely used around the world. Bell peppers are not only fantastic for flavoring food, but they are also helpful for our health. They're high in vitamin C and antioxidants, and they're a good source of both. If possible, choose the red variety because it has more of the nutrients that are so beneficial to our health. Number 8. Poultry. Chicken is one of the most popular foods on the earth. It's difficult to find a cuisine without a chicken dish on the menu. It's a fantastic source of protein, and, like white meat, it's lower in fat than a lot of other meats. Not only that, but chicken can also aid in the strengthening of our immune systems. When we're unwell, we frequently reach for a bowl of chicken soup or chicken broth. These are a wonderful source of vitamin B6, which helps to keep our immune systems in good shape. Other sorts of fowl can be good as well. Number 9. Almonds. The almond tree is a type of tree native to Iran and the surrounding region. It produces a fruit that looks like a nut but isn't quite one. A drupe is correct classification for the fruit. Regardless, it is consumed as a nut and is widely consumed throughout the world. Almonds are delicious, but their flavor isn't their only advantage. Almonds are also high in vitamin E, which is essential for maintaining a healthy immune system. They're also high in other nutrients, such as healthy fats, which help us maintain our general health. Number 10. Ginger. Ginger is a prominent ingredient in many Asian dishes, but it's also utilized in other cuisines. The portion of the plant that is used is the ginger root. Ginger has long been utilized for its therapeutic benefits in addition to adding flavor to foods. Ginger's health advantages were originally recognized by the ancient Chinese, and it has been utilized in medicine ever since. It contains components that can help to enhance our immune system and can also be used to treat some diseases directly. Making medicinal tea from the root is a popular way to reap its advantages.